Hey friends, all right, so now we're gonna measure amperage. So unlike voltage, amperage is where you're gonna get into trouble. Amperage is where you're going to blow your meter. Hopefully not. In voltage, the meter has very high resistance. So you can touch it just about anywhere and it's not gonna hurt anything, especially assuming you have it on the correct scale. But with amperage, the amp meter has very low resistance. So if I were to touch the ammeter right now across the battery here, which I'm not, all of the amperage from the battery would go through the meter, blow the fuse, and we'd have to stop and refilm everything because I messed up. So when we're measuring amperage, amperage is measured in series, right? That means everything's going to go through the meter, so you have to undo something. So I'm going to do this in a way that hopefully you can follow. So I want to measure the total amperage of this circuit. I am going to disconnect this, put the black lead there, and put my red lead here, and I'm going to set this for 100 milliamps. I don't know. It's a 6-volt battery, but I don't know the amperage. So I'm going to set it kind of high, touch it gently. Okay, the meter only goes about a quarter of the way up, so I'm safe. So I could read that. But notice, all of the current comes through here, into the meter, out of the meter, and then into the circuit. So now I'm measuring the total amperage. Now it just so happens with a series circuit that the amperage is the same, but if I wanted to measure the amperage at this spot, I would have to disconnect, and I would have to touch my meter to here, touch the meter over here, so that I have all of the current flowing here, then in the meter, and then back. Remember, if I have this connected, and I put the meter right here, it actually short circuits this component for the most part. All of the current will then go through the meter and then out, short circuiting or bypassing this one. So if I did the same thing over here, it would literally be bypassing this component. And that is not what we want. That's not how we measure amperage. Amperage is measured in series. I want to measure the amperage here, disconnect, hook up the meter there, hook up the meter right over here, and measure our current flow. So that is measuring current. Remember to disconnect.